Hola, Erica here. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the new AIRBACK FLEX personal item. Literally, I was so excited for this to come out. They just launched it. I'm going to show you real quick how cool this is. So look at this, look at this. When you want to wear it like a backpack, boom, wear it like a backpack. If you want to roll it, roll it. I can do everything with one hand. You can cover the wheels. This bag is really awesome. I can't wait to review it for you. Just take a look right here. It is so cool. Now, I did a review on the AIRBACK original backpack. This backpack has compression technology, so I was able to fit a week's worth of clothes in here. This bag passed all my tests with flying colors. The only thing was because I fit so much clothes in here, it got really heavy. And the thing is, if a backpack's really heavy, I start to get tired. With this bag, it actually is a roller. It's a roller, it's a backpack, and it's personal item size, so it can fit underneath the plain seat. This is the size of a normal carry-on that goes overhead, and then this is the personal item. So it's nice and small. This would just go under the seat. I would still say every airline is a little bit different, so do put this under the seat, like at your own risk. There's a lot of perks when it comes to this bag, so I'm gonna walk you through the exterior, the functionality, and then the interior, and also what I fit in this bag. It's advertised to hold like 2 or 3 days worth of clothes, but I was able to put 4 to 5 days of clothes. It really just depends on like your material that you're using, but this also has the compression technology inside. Okay, let's talk about the material real quick. This is water-resistant material. When you feel it, you can feel the great quality. This is the lighter color. They also have the black one, kind of like the other backpack I was showing you, but it's just so pretty. The handles are really nice quality, really beautiful texture. The zippers are really nice. I'm going to show you one zipper I don't like, but that's going to be in a little bit. They have also compression straps right here, and the quality is also really nice. And then it also has these bungees right here, so you don't have straps flying all over the place. This material is also very wipeable. The backpack strap quality is also really nice. It has these pads right here, and these pads allow for good airflow. The stitching quality right here for the backpack straps are very, very nice, very durable. You can see that they reinforce through here. And then down here, I do a lot of backpack reviews, and I just love it when backpacks have this little triangle right here. So considering that this bag is going to be a roller and a backpack, I just love that they still have beautiful backpack quality, really sturdy design right in here. That's not going anywhere. The cotton twill is really good. The cotton twill is just really good. This is the chest strap, so I'm going to wear it for you in a little bit. This can be adjusted up and down, and then it also has a little bungee right here, so you could tuck your straps in there to be nice and tidy. Considering this personal item is a 2-in-1, I just love that you can adjust the straps. It's actually comfortable. Maybe I wouldn't go backpacking with it, but it is comfortable. It fits in the small of my back really nice. And then my husband also says I look really good. I'm not that tall, I'm like 5'4", but if you're anywhere close to my size or taller, it's gonna look really awesome on you. I would definitely say, actually, because this bag is smaller than the AIRBACK original, I would say it is more comfortable for me to hold it on my back because it's not as big. So if you're trying to decide between the AIRBACK original and the AIRBACK FLEX, for me personally, I do think that this one is more comfortable, even though it doesn't have the bells and whistles of like this nice puffy material and this little chute for airflow. I do like that the chest strap gives me enough space to breathe. I'm going to be showing you the next part, which is the coolest part, and this is the reason why I love this bag so much. I'm going to show you how I like to do things. I like to be efficient. So I know you could take this strap off. I know you could do that, and then you can go in here and like tuck it in like that. That just takes too much time for me. So what I'm going to do is, when I am taking off my backpack here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to elongate the straps right here. I'm going to put it down. You can take this, you can just slide it in like that. You can take this, you just slide it in. You just make sure the straps are kind of like all together. This side is made to keep you clean. And then look at this. This side is made to be kind of like the dirty side, because here's the wheels, right? Here are 2 magnets, really, really nice quality magnets, like super nice. You're gonna tuck this thing in, you're just gonna bloop, put it right there. So there's a magnet right here. There's a magnet right here. I am so glad that you don't have to like clip anything or button anything down. Another little close-up of the cool cover for the wheel. So just think, the dirty part does not touch you, okay? There is a zipper right here. I do find that the angle of which you pull it at, you can't be having like the white part facing you. You should actually go this way, stick your hand in there, push the button, and then just pull it out. And that is how you're gonna do the trolley part. for your new roller. Isn't this so cool? All right, the cool thing was when I was playing with this all week, I was showing my husband how fast I can go from a roller to a backpack, and I could do it with one hand. So let me show you. Ready and go. You put that down, you put the zipper on, you grab it by this handle, you take this part, you fold this part under. I love it because it keeps your clothes clean. You go like that, you go like that, put it on, boom, boom. So like if you're in Japan or if you're in Europe and you just need to get your bag off the floor, you see how fast I did that? And I just love that the wheels aren't touching me. I hate that. I hate that so much. If that was touching me, I'd be like, no, I'm not gonna buy that. Great job, R&D team. And I do like that this bag, when you're not touching it, it stands on its own. And it's not gonna fall over. And that's because it has these little nubbins right here. Here at the bottom, you have that Velcro thing. You also have this little thing that could actually act like a handle. I don't know if that's what they were intending, but maybe if you put it overhead or you put it under your seat and you wanted to grab it, you go like that. These are also really great wheels. These are like all-terrain wheels. They even have some grip, which is kind of cool. So this bag is a 2-wheel roller. It's not a 4-wheel roller. The cool thing also is where you tuck your straps into. I think of it as a trolley pull-through. So if you wanted to have another carry-on or a checked-in bag, look at that, beautiful. Nice and tight, perfect. I do love the aerospace grade trolley. It's pretty good. 1, 2. It's really nice quality and nice and comfortable too. Even nicer and more comfortable than some actual carry-on handles. Let's take another close look and appreciate the beautiful stitching and the beautiful quality. Like, yeah, if it rained, you're gonna be just fine. This is a TSA approved lock. That means everything in this backpack, minus this one tiny hidden pocket right here, is going to be locked. Let me show you this tiny little pocket in front right here. This is where I keep my little Anchor power bank. It just has all the cables that I need. So I like to keep that in here. I'm going to click. It's just really easy. Clip in, change the numbers. Can't get in there. Can't get in there. 0, 0. Boom, super cool. All right. Those are all the pockets on the outside, one. And then the other pocket is the one that has a trolley pull through. So that's the one thing is you're not gonna have a lot of outside pockets. There's also no space for your water bottle, if that's something that you like, which that is something that I do like. But remember, this bag has a lot of other perks. So I'm gonna open up this bag. Also, I forgot to show you, but when I did weigh this bag with my luggage weigher earlier, it was 16.5 pounds. And then if I put my laptop in, my laptop is 3.5 pounds, so that is 20 pounds. For me, 20 pounds is kind of heavy, but then if I think about it, I would only carry 20 pounds on my back for a short period of time. I would mainly be rolling this bag because I don't like things on my back that much. The cool thing about this bag is it opens up like a front opening or like a top opening, so you can just put this like against the wall. Oh, the other thing is if you have another fanny pack. I'm going around the airport like this. If the airline is super strict and they're like, one bag only, no overhead cabin space, or you only get one thing underneath your seat, what I would just do is I would also just fit this inside this one zipper right here. So let me just do that real quick. I just have to arrange the little toiletry bag. Let me just show you that your fanny pack can fit inside this bag as well if you're wanting to do one item only. Most of the time when I'm traveling, I'm gonna be having my fanny pack on me, and then I will just roll this bag around or carry it on my back. Okay, this zipper right here has my fanny pack. This has everything I need in there, like my AirPods and my passport. This here's the toiletry bag. You can get the bundle, so it comes with an air pump and then a toiletry bag. So this is another toiletry bag that is matching. I'll show you what's in here in just a little bit. But this little part right here is really nice. If you have something that's smelly like shoes, you can put it in this part and then it won't make your stuff smell. I would say most of AIRBACK has some pretty good zippers. This little guy caught just a little bit here on the corner, but I saw there's a little tooth that was bent. This one was a really good zipper. This right here has my Manta Sleep eye mask. And then also I have just like another Anchor pluggy cube thing. All right, so we finished pocket 1, pocket 2, pocket 3, and then Here, we have another pocket. This is the laptop part. Now the laptop part, the only thing is I really wish that you can unzip this off and it's actually detachable and removable, only because if you have a really big laptop, mine's a 13-inch MacBook Pro, and you can see it ends right here. I'm not sure though, like if a 17-inch or a 16-inch would fit. You know, I just feel like it might not fit. We gotta go like not where the seam is. So let's just go where the zipper is to this part. Okay, like 16 and a little bit. So I don't know. I really just wish that this part would detach. Just because maybe you can use like your own laptop sleeve in here. That would for sure fit. That would just be a nice option to have. However, if you do have a 13-inch laptop like me, it is really nice and padded. In this pocket right here, I have my cable for my laptop, and then I have my laptop right here. Super squishy, super squishy. The only thing that I kind of wish is maybe it would open up from the top. If you're going through security at the airport and you want to get out your laptop a little bit quicker, it would just be nice if the zipper went this way, so you could just pull out your laptop like that. You would pull out your laptop like that. A zipper from the top, also a removable zipper right here would be great. R&D team, thank you so much. All right, let's go on to what I put in this bag. Great design. This is the cool thing. You can actually unzip this part. You can actually remove this whole thing. Now this has all my clothes in there. But here's the cool thing. There's not a lot of pockets or like compartments in this bag, but I just made my own compartment. I don't know if that's what this was intended for. Maybe if you don't want to use the compression, you just use this as a backpack. But look, I was able to bring my selfie stick tripod, which I never go anywhere without. I was able to bring my white noise machine, which I don't go anywhere without. I was able to bring my tiger tail massage ball because I'm bougie and I'm a physical therapist. And here is the air pump. So if you want to use this bag like just a regular backpack or a regular roller, you can just put your clothes in here and use this as a compression. It is actually really nice compression. And then if you want to use packing cubes, that's totally fine. There's my little Apple AirTag. Just snap that on, snap it off if you want to use the compression. Really good material. It also connects into the sturdy part of the bag. Here's the trolley pull-through area. If you wanted, you can hide some cash in here. I also like that the material inside the bag is not tacky or cheap. But let's get to this part right here. Here is the compression part, okay? There is a lot of clothes in here, and I cannot wait to show you. If you get the bundle, you can get an air pump as well. This comes with a nice velvety bag right here. The only thing is, because this bag has compression technology, that means you gotta actually bring the compression technology. You charge this via USB-C right here. Then you click it once, click it again to stop it, and then to lock it, click it again to hold it, wait for it to turn red. There you go, and it's locked right now. So that means if I click it, nothing's gonna happen. So let's unlock it. Okay, it's unlocked. And then if I click it once, super cool. The great thing is, just like the AIRBACK original that I did a review on, you hold this here, nice and sturdy, you hold this here like an anchor, and I just love that. Because you do have to give some force, I just like that we're not like hurting our fingers. So I'm gonna show you real quick. There we go. There is the air that just escaped. While we're here and packed, let me just show you how the little vacuum thing works real quick. So you're gonna do this. I already unlocked it. You're gonna stick that on top. You don't have to clip it or anything, just place it. And you can just see that everything starts getting compressed. Also push it around a little bit and just watch everything get vacuum sealed. Let me show you what I put in here. So you're gonna hold this here, you're gonna go down. Later, if you want to actually zip it back up, you're gonna hold it from the bottom and then you're gonna go this way, okay? Just make sure there's not like a little gap right there. You wanna make sure you go up all the way. I'm gonna bring this down. I did not pack in compression cubes at all because honestly this whole thing is compression. So here's a bra, here's a bra, here's a sports bra, pair of socks, a pair of socks, compression socks, my Lawson socks from Japan, 4 pairs of socks. Then I have underwear 1, 2, 3, 4 daytime undies. 1, 2, 3, 4 nighttime undies. Tank top. 1, 2 shirt. 3 shirt. 4 shirt. 5 long sleeve. Pair of long pants. 2 pairs of long pants. Those are like my stretchy materials. And then a pair of slacks. So that's about like 4 days worth of clothes, 4 or 5 days. But then if you have laundry, then you can go for a long time. But isn't that so cool? Also, the other thing about this bag is if you do want it to go bigger, it can expand 10 liters. The only thing is if you expand it, it most likely won't fit underneath the plane seat, but it can fit overhead just fine. Okay, R&D team, I need to tell you something. And this might have actually been a make it or break it for me. And I hate to say this, but you really need to work on your zipper for the expansion part, okay? Because I got this bag and I was trying to unzip the expansion part and I couldn't do it. And you know, with all my other reviews, I am like the zipper person. I love testing out the zippers. Now, here's the thing. The quality of the zippers is fantastic. Like, look how beautiful that is. They're thick, they're juicy. They're kind of like the other one, but for some reason, this AIRBACK original backpack had no problem with the zippers at all. I'm thinking it's because there's an extra seam inside there. So what you need to do is make the material from here to here, like 1 millimeter bigger on this part and 1 millimeter bigger on this part. I promise the bag will still look gorgeous. I used to sew a lot with my mom, and it's all about the good zippers. Now, here's the thing. Will your bag break? No. Will it jam? No, you just won't be able to open up the expansion part. Literally, all the other zippers are fantastic, but this part would have been a little bit of a make it or break it for me. However, because for me, I don't like to carry heavy things on my back and I want to fit it underneath the plane seat, I most likely won't even be using the extra 10 liters. If I'm going to use the extra 10 liters, it's going to be an overhead bag for me, and I just will take it as it is, as a bigger bag. Let me just show you something real quick. Right here, really good, like beautiful zippers, beautiful quality, but right here, I get stuck, okay? I get stuck. What you need to do is you gotta stick your finger in there, okay? And you gotta do it like this, okay? The other thing is, right here around the corner was a little hard too. So you gotta really just pull, stick your finger in there. So that's the one thing is I'm big on zippers. Unzip, unzip, right? Then for the rest of it, it's really smooth. Like, look at that beautiful quality. Beautiful quality. So R&D team, just make the material from here to here 1 millimeter, a little bit longer on each side, and that will be no problem at all. But let me just show you what it looks like expanded. It's actually not bad. It's just for sure that's not fitting underneath the plane seat. Great material, great zipper. Just add a little bit of material. So because I was able to, I guess, maybe stretch out the fabric a little bit more, it's much easier for me to unzip and zip, which I'm happy to show you that. Okay, I'm gonna zip it back up. Let's see if in real time it actually zips nicely. Actually, wow, okay. It was not doing this before, but it's kind of like when you go to the doctor and like you have no more pain anymore, or when you go to the tire shop and like the car's like not squeaking anymore. But it was funny earlier, but now it's showing like, minus that one seam right there, you just gotta stick your finger in there and you're good to go. Whew, I'm sweaty. That made me nervous. If you are nervous about the zipper, honestly, just play with the zipper a lot. Stick your finger in there, stretch out the fabric a little bit, and it seems like you'll be just fine. Oh, I forgot to tell you about the toiletry bag. So here's the thing. These toiletry bags are really nice. It feels very luxurious. The only thing is I feel like it's too padded. So if you're tight on space, you don't have to fill it up as much as I did. But let me just show you real quick what's in here. Some lactate, contacts, rubber band, bobby pin, contacts, floss, chapstick. The zipper is also really nice. I'm gonna unzip this part right here. I got brush, toothbrush, mouthwash, face creams, toothpaste, face stuff, oil strips. On this side here, I have all my face stuff, hair stuff, contact solution, deodorant. There you go. That's what goes in there. So this is the AIRBACK FLEX bag. I love it so much. I'm gonna give it a score. For aesthetics, it gets a 5 out of 5. For quality, it gets a 4.8 out of 5 only because of that zipper. Maybe I can give it 4.7. And then for functionality, that's gonna get a 4.8. I just would like that computer thing to be removable. That would be really wonderful. But this bag is wonderful considering it is brand new on the market. If this type of bag is something that you've been looking for, I definitely would recommend giving it a try. I cannot wait to use this. This bag is just so cute and it's so beautiful and it won't make me sweaty and tired like how I am now. Whew. So anyways, if you want to see some of my other review videos, I'm going to put that on the screen right here.